The best way to use AI in your business for 2023. I'm going to be referring to ChatGPT, and I had so much resistance in learning AI in the very early days of me hearing about AI, and I think about 3 weeks ago I decided to bite the bullet. It was over a weekend and I just really got to grips with what this AI business was all about and how I now use it in my business, and I just thought I would share it to my fellow coaches. If you are brand new to AI or even brand new to your business, you want to maybe enhance some areas of your business without maybe employing someone to help you, then this video is for you. Let's jump in. Hi, my name is Lillian and I'm here helping online spiritual coaches, healers, therapists and practitioners supercharge their online coaching business to success. I also have the online Soul Central directory. It goes out to over 10,000 plus soul searchers and seekers, intuitives, manifestors, and if you feel that your services will very much be best placed in front of them, if you have something really cool to offer and you would like a free listing, then feel free to like this video, subscribe and comment in the comment section below Soul Central directory, and I'll send you over the information so I can get you into the next Soul Central directory. Okay, let's head over to ChatGPT. As you can see, I'm now in my personal account of ChatGPT. Feel free to Google chatopenai.com or ChatGPT. I'm sure it will come up on Google. And this is the free version. There is a paid version here where you can upgrade, but this is just for free. And for where I am in my business, and I'm sure where you are in your business, this I'm sure is just enough. And you can do anything in ChatGPT in terms of helping you create your content. There is sometimes a lot of love and labour that goes into creating the best copy when it comes to Facebook ads, or the best posts when it comes to posting on Facebook, Instagram, wherever it is that you are, promoting yourself and your fine services. But this is how I would use, for example, ChatGPT. There are many other features, I'm sure, but I'm just going to let you know on a very surface level how I use it to basically add some extra time to my day, instead of me actually using my brain in a way that actually not delays but costs me a lot of time throughout the day. This just helps me save some time, which I think is great. And I was, again, as mentioned, very AI resistant, and I was very anti-AI for whatever reasons. Intuitively, I didn't like it. However, with open mind, with open eyes, I'm going to now use it to my advantage, and I actually now enjoy the content I write. So here we are. You can ask it any question, and if you get good at asking the right questions, this is how it can help you. So let's say, obviously I'm an online business coach. I also do marketing for my clients as well. So I could say something like, how to start an online coaching business. Yep. And then you can see this magic of AI now writing back to you a message. And it's a real good comprehensive blurb on the topic. So I gave it the topic, how to start an online coaching business, and it will just basically produce quite a few bullet points around this. And what you can do, you can just take what resonates with you, take the best bits for yourself, and you can then put it into your own content. It usually stops between 8 and 10 points, and you can stop generating at any time. Obviously, some social media platforms will have a certain amount of characters that you can include, but there we are. It gives you this very comprehensive answer back, which is amazing. And it's still writing now, which is absolutely awesome. Okay. I mean, how long would that have taken you to write all that? To firstly, to think about it, to write about it, and then to actually write it out fully. That would have taken you a good, I don't know, half an hour. And within a minute, it's completely mapped out what you could use in terms of content. So you just take away what you would like. We'll do one more just for this video. So let's just say what is Facebook advertising? I mean, I don't know, depending on your particular line of work. The key is to basically write a question that really does fit in with your line of work. So let's just say you are wanting to write a post about Facebook advertising, because I obviously do offer Facebook advertising for my clients, and let's say I want to write a debunking limiting belief type post where I am trying to debunk a myth that everyone thinks that Facebook ads don't work. Well, I can just go to ChatGPT and craft a question which will best place the objective of my particular post, and I can use the information that gets churned out by ChatGPT and include it in my shift belief post that I can write out to my audience. So again, these are just a couple of ways. It's fantastic. So within like a couple of minutes, I've got 2 very comprehensive answers back from this particular AI. I can use it for my content, and then I can then go ahead and really start enjoying putting my content together, which saves a hell of a lot of time in my experience. Okay, I hope you found this video useful. Feel free to let me know how you are going to be using ChatGPT in your business. And remember, if you would like a free listing in the Soul Century directory that goes out to over 10,000 plus intuitives, soul searchers and manifestors, then feel free to like this video, subscribe, and in the comments box below, mention Soul Century directory and I'll send you over the information. Thanks ever so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.